Hello everyone, this is Simram and I love to cook. Today I'm going to make my take on the English Sticky Toffee Pudding. This version excludes the heavy cream, lots of sugar and butter, however giving the same flavor and texture expected out of the pudding. Do hit the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified of all new videos being posted. Self-raising flour, baking powder, 3 eggs, butter, sugar, 1 tablespoon Black Treacle sauce. So now we brought it to a fluffy, light and airy mixture. So we'll grease the ramekin with butter. We put the golden syrup on the base. Now we pour the cake mixture over the golden syrup. The sticky toffee pudding is ready.